Today's destination is Mount Toowong, 1,269 metres, and as you can see, there's fresh snow, a lot of rain, a bit of sleet. Why would you want to go out and ride your bike on a day like today? Because it's an Aussie adventure, rain, sleet and snow. Nothing like being in the outdoors. Approximately a 50-kilometre ride today. Once I get to the top, that'll be 25 kilometres of mountain riding in a lot of rain and sleet and snow. It's exhilarating, feet are a little bit cold, but it's all part of the adventure. This is where you need your jumbo gyms. These are great on the firm packed, but not on the snow. Mammoth, no good for the snow. Max. That mustn't be there yet. Winter wonderland. And it's not winter. Still a month away from winter. Oh, must be one more descent and then I think must be there. Have to be a little careful, my tyres could slide out from underneath me. Don't want to do an injury. Someone's going to come and help me. Certainly feel like you're living when you do this. My toes have got a bit of feeling in them. I've also got my good Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the front handlebar bag wrapped up. It's got lots of cushioning, but I still want to be careful with it. I'm waiting on a punker case. So it's waterproof and protected. So I'm still on F-Tail Spur Track. We're just next to my campsite. This goes the whole way through and comes out near Mount Bogon. And then eventually up Mount Bogon. The sand you soon lose lose the snow line. They're big trees, big gum trees, lots of wind, and lots of puddles. Look at this. Looks like a tree's come crashing down. Looks like I can still get through though, that's okay. Quite a big tree, you don't want that coming down on you. Knock on wood. Whew. Big trees have snow in. The sun should come out on Sunday, so I'm pretty low on power. I think I've got about 80% on the phone. I've got about 2.5 GoPro batteries. Even though it's cold, got to keep drinking. Almost up the summit. Gotta ride it. If I lean backwards, you get more pressure on the tyre. I've got to start off to do it. Pull with your hands on the handlebars. It gives a bit more traction. That's the summit. This is it. This is the summit. Mount Toowong, 1,269 metres. Woohoo! Made it! Northeast Victoria, Australia. And yes, this is Australia. See, they're gum trees. Mighty big trees to have snow in too. Anyway, it's 25 kilometres here of mountain snow, ice, and rain and sleet and all that type of riding. Now I better get back. I made it. I'm impressed. Bit chilly, as you can imagine.